Hi everyone, today I'm going to give you some ideas for creative science activities. The first is drawing plant cells and animal cells. You can create more of a 3D model by using lots of different materials. You can then use the leaves to create a painting. Use cardboard and many different materials to understand the body. Here we've got an example of the digestive system model. Here's another example. Take a tray, put some metal objects with paint on them, and then use a very strong magnet at the bottom of the tray to move the objects around. Here's a volcano art piece, some more volcano art pieces. You can also create a volcano by using paper mache or plaster. Then you can use white vinegar and baking soda to create an eruption. Here's another art science experiment. Squeeze some lemon juice on a watercolor painting. Here is a similar activity, but instead of using lemon juice, they're using salt, and then you see how the piece reacts to the salt. And then there's another experiment you can do with milk, food coloring, and just add drops of dishwasher soap. Some people like to use sticks to do this, and see how it reacts. You can do this magic milk experiment with cow's milk or almond milk if you have children with milk allergies. The fat molecules in the milk will react with the dishwasher soap and it will create these beautiful colors. You can do a science experiment with Skittles. Arrange the Skittles like this onto a plate. Then pour water and watch how it reacts. Learn about the solar system. Now this can be done as a group activity where each person gets to do one planet, and you just use a stencil and some paint, and then you create your planet. I just love how this piece folds together. And here's another one. You can also use some markers to paint the planets on some rocks. Then you can arrange these to create the solar system.